We're still on? What if you could take a thrifted garment, what if you could take a normal thrifted garment and create something truly one of a kind? Today, we're mixing custom methods to create a look that screen printing and embroidery simply cannot touch. Perfect for small businesses, this creation will show how combining two techniques can turn a simple denim jacket, hopefully we find one, into a high margin premium product that truly stands out. Drop a comment. Would you rock laser engraved denim? Maybe a DTF patch up front? Both? Let's go see if we can find a jacket. After scoring this thrifted jacket, we're ready to take it to the next level. Every piece of denim has a story, but with the right mix of techniques, we can turn this simple thrifted jacket into a high-end standout design. Let's head back to the workshop. I know laser engraving isn't the most conventional method for customizing apparel, but that's exactly why I want to try it. To make things even more interesting, I'm adding DTF to the mix. So how are we going to make this happen? Well, today, I'm using the X-Tools P2S CO2 laser, which is going to burn an intricate flame design on this denim back panel. Then we've got our Prestige XL2 Pro and heat press. This combo will let us add a cool logo just above our engraved flames. Together, these methods will give us a truly unique look, which could be replicated for high production. And not to mention, we're not just limited to this design. With mixed media projects, there's loads of possibilities. We could produce a biker club vest with detailed laser engraved back piece, plus a logo or flag as a front patch. Or fashion streetwear, with a subtle engraved pattern on the back and vibrant full color sleeves. The versatility here makes for great profit. Let's start with the laser. We've got our artwork prepped, our denim jacket handy, and with the P2S CO2 laser technology, we can etch directly onto these denim fibers. Now, testing is always going to be advised before taking any job, and also, never leave your laser unattended while engraving. It's as simple as loading your garment flat, dragging in your artwork into Creative Space software, dialing in your settings, and then sending the job. No inks, no additives, no extra consumables. With any new method, there's going to be some hurdles and learning curves. As you can see, we had to run a few different intensity levels of the engraving as our laser was sort of getting caught on the material. I'm always going to keep it real with you guys. I probably could have done a better job at securing this down as flat as possible, but we're all learning together. In most cases, the result is a permanent, crisp design like this top layer here. Long-lasting is a major selling point, especially for customers looking for durability like motorcycle clubs, workwear brands, or outdoor enthusiasts. There's also a value add-on for print shops. Most people aren't offering laser customization on apparel, so you can upsell this as a premium option. Even a simple logo burn-on the back of a jacket can command double or triple the price of a plain garment. If you're liking what you're seeing so far, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any ways to make your shop stand out. The only thing that would make our design better is some direct-to-film. This method allows us to add the color and detail engraving alone cannot provide. And what's one of the best parts about DTF? It applies to virtually any fabric imaginable. And here's a fun fact about denim. It's mostly cotton. Easy peasy. Let me show you. First, we bring in our artwork for printing and size it up. After the image is produced, it's applied with powder. We could do this manually by hand or through automation with a roll-to-roll setup. We cook the powder to the wet print and voila, ready to be heat press applied. The beauty of pairing laser with DTF is you get two different textures on the same garment. Engraving for definition and depth, while using direct-to-film for vibrant color and style, can result in pieces that really capture attention. It's like embroidery and screen print had a modern upgrade. And from a business perspective, this could be marketed as a custom piece. Great for streetwear brands who want that special something their competitors don't offer. Or for musicians needing merch that makes an impact. Or even a layered piece with a hoodie for those colder months. The custom lettering alone could be a $10 plus add-on for your print-on-demand orders, and the engraved back turns this denim jacket into a premium centerpiece. As you might recall, I thrifted this jacket and it only cost me 15 bucks. Now the P2S cutter has a lifespan of up to 8,000 hours according to X-Tool. If we divide that by the cost of the machine, our job cost per hour is just over 50 cents. Now the engraving for our project took about 30 minutes and cost $0 in supplies. That puts our total cost for the engraving at 28 cents. Now for the direct-to-film portion of our design, we can find the job cost right in our software. Less math for me. Now in Digirip, let's click on the cost calculator. This amount will include the ink, film, and powder it took to print our artwork. So our total DTF cost is 23 cents. You guys can check my math on this, but I'm pretty sure that brings our total cost for this design to 51 cents. Now what would you guys pay for this one-of-a-kind denim jacket? Let me know in the comments, but I'm thinking this could easily sell for $75 based on comparable listings on e-commerce sites. Now if I'm able to sell this for 75 bucks, that would make my grand return on investment a whopping $59.49. Not bad for a thrifted jacket and a little creativity. Turning 15 bucks into almost 60 makes this project a total win. You see it, laser precision in the back and bold color. This denim jacket went from blank to boutique level in 2 quick processes, and here's the thing, you don't need to limit yourself to jackets. This works on denim jeans, canvas bags, and you've already seen us do leather. Mixing methods like this opens up new product categories and lets you upsell your work instead of just offering tees. Did you know you can get X-Tool lasers and direct-to-film printers from All American Print Supply right now? These tools don't just expand what you can make, they expand who you can sell to. More markets, more products, more profits. Hit the link in the description to check out the gear or book an in-person demonstration. And don't forget to subscribe for more ways to level up your print business. We'll see you in the next one.